for your language. Hi everyone, I'm Amy.
I have had these bunion-ish feet for a long time. And nowadays they get worse. Amy, do you have any good ideas to fix them? Remember, you can always count on me.
Bunions are tough. I also have bunion-ish feet, so I can understand. But this special massage made my feet so much better. So, of course, you can improve them with me.
A bunion, also known as hallux valgus, is deformity of the joint connecting the big toe to the foot. This is a condition in which the big toe is bent more than 20 degrees. The joint at the base of the big toe protrudes and hits the shoe, causing pain and inflammation. This has been found to be exacerbated by tapered shoes and high heels. More than 20% of men and women ages 18 to 65 in the United States have bunions. And more than 35% of men and women over age 65 have these toe deformities. If this condition is left ignored, the arch of the plantar foot will collapse, causing various problems. The sole of the foot has three arch structures: a longitudinal arch, inside, a longitudinal arch, outside, and a transverse arch. These three arches play a role in distributing your weight and reducing the burden on your feet. This arch structure collapses due to the way you walk or the pain from your bunion. As a result, the load is applied directly to the foot, accelerating deformity and pain. It is said that strong arches are essential for healthy feet that allow you to walk long distances comfortably.
The key to today's massage to reduce bunion symptoms is to restore the arches of the foot. To achieve this, we carefully massage the muscles and the fascia around the arches. It has an immediate effect and makes your feet feel very comfortable. Let's stay strong and keep walking happily for the rest of our lives.
Use a stable chair that does not rotate or rock. Stop whenever you need to.
Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe button to make it habit. I want you to share this video with your family and friends to support their health and beauty. Do you want to make Amy's Bigan Yoga a more enjoyable habit? Then join Amy's membership called Smile Beauties by hitting the link in the comment section.
I have t-shirts and other items to make your Bigan Yoga more fun. Check my store for details.
Let's get 20 years younger with me. Here we go! Now, put your hands on your knees like this and breathe forward and breathe out back.
Welcome and welcome back. Thank you for joining today. I am so glad that you are sharing energy with me. Don't stop while ads are on.
Roll your shoulder. Now, do the other way around.
You can do Bigan Yoga every day, morning, daytime, or evening, anytime you want.
Now, shake your legs.
Shake your legs for a warm-up.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta
First, massage here.
be happy.
Now massage the area under the ball of the foot.
And now, grab your toes and stretch like this.
Aha! Your toes like it, don't they? Just do however your feet want you to do.
So many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scared.
Don't stop while ads are on.
Follow the light. You're able to be happy.
And now, push here.
Look what we got here. If you press here, your big toe moves automatically. So find the point where it moves. You can loosen this part so that your stiff joints will be released for the better.
And now, massage here.
Let's massage the inside of shin like this.
Saying you're doing fine. But how about last night when you cried your eyes out? I bet they're not aware you came by. And now my mind's a mess. It keeps
Now relax and swing your hands.
Loosen the back, shoulders, and arms.
these nights when I'm alone, I keep scrolling through my phone now. I wish there was a pill to get over someone you love but doesn't have no more.
And now hold here and rotate your ankle.
I wish I could delete every inch of me that feel like you're all I need and more. You're not all I need no more.
And now to the other way.
All my friends are taking me to bars, and we dance all night.
Now grab your toes and stretch like this, and you feel the muscles here. And massage this one.
Check out the muscle that comes out when you hold your toes backwards. Massage this muscle.
All these nights
If there's pain, take it easy, nice and gentle.
I wish there was a pill to get over someone you love but doesn't have no more. Doesn't have no more.
Find an arch here.
Find this place and push like this.
Massage the lump at the base of the arch. Don't stop while ads are on.
Make arch and stretch your toes.
Hold it firmly so that you can rebuild a healthy arch. Isn't it cool?
Now shake your hands, relax.
Time is running out. Lately I've lost my track. I've sailed the deeper seas.
And now the other side. Push here.
Now massage the area under the ball of the foot.
Oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead, but time is running out. Time is running out.
Now grab your toes and stretch like this.
Just do however your feet want you to do.
Time is running out. But time is running out.
Find a place and push like this.
If you press here, your big toe moves automatically. So find a point where it moves. You can loosen this part so that your stiff joints will be released for the better.
Time is running out.
And now massage here.
Let's massage the inside of shin like this.
Driving through the New York rain, roll down my window and let the rain
Don't stop while ads are on.
beat by the name. Too late
And now do like this.
Shake your feet to release tension.
to come away. Let's dance to whatever, something to remember.
And now the other side.
Come away. Make me unravel. Forget about the matter.
And now hold this part and rotate your ankle.
I go on forever riding this summer loving. We paint the sky green, and I go on forever.
And now to the other way around.
White sheets and coffee stains.
Now grab your toes and stretch, and you will find a muscle here. And we massage this muscle.
Pretend I don't care. One day this all will change.
Check out the muscle that comes out when you hold your toes backwards. Massage this muscle.
Something to remember.
If there's pain, take it easy, nice and gentle.
Forget about the matter.
And find this part and massage.
Massage the lump at the base of the arch.
I go on forever.
And now make an arch with your hand and stretch like this.
Hold it firmly so that you can rebuild a healthy arch. Isn't it cool? don't stop while ads are on. How do you feel? So light and refreshed, huh? Great!
And now release your arms like this.
I'm just trying
Breathe deeply.
I don't know how you do it.
Listen to me while you do this.
Trying to keep
If you like this video, please hit like button. That really encourages me. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. My goal is to make the world's biggest over 40 health and beauty channel with you, and you. Send me a cheer by hitting the subscribe button. Now I recommend these videos for you. See you in my next videos.
I just need you to